It's Keith Connors again from whatismyhomereallyworth.com, talking to you about the secrets to finding your real home value. It's very important to get the best price and to sell in the least amount of time to price that home accurately. We have an AVM, an automated valuation model. You saw that in the first video. An RVM, a realtor valuation model. You saw that in the second video. The next step is a CMA, a comparative market analysis. Now, the comparative market analysis will take homes, in my neighborhood, for example, there are homes in the 300,000s, and then there are homes on the water that are $1 million. I can't compare homes built in 1960 with new waterfront homes built 10 years ago. So we have to remove them, and that's why we get the comparative market analysis. We really want comparables. So in this example, this home was priced in the RVM, the realtor value model, at $490,000. When we take out the properties and add the properties that are real comparatives, we get a price of $423,000. It's really important with that CMA that your agent knows what he or she is doing. I'm here to help you anytime. You have any questions, call my cell, 727-563-6692. Have a great day.